Words where letter K is silent. Knack. 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 An acquired or natural skill at doing something. He had a knack for communicating. Knave. 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 A dishonest or unscrupulous man. After the knave stole the king's crown, he was arrested and placed in the dungeon. Knead. 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 Massage or squeeze with the hands. She kneaded his back. Knee. 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 Hit someone with one's knee. She kneed him in the groin. Kneel. 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 Be in or assume a position in which the body is supported by a knee or the knees, as when praying or showing submission. They knelt down and prayed. Knell. 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 The sound of a bell, especially when rung solemnly for a death or funeral. The loss of Georgia would sound the death knell of Republican hopes. New. 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 Have developed a relationship with someone, through meeting and spending time with them, be familiar or friendly with. He knew and respected Laura. Knickers. 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 A woman's or girl's undergarment covering the lower part of the torso to the top of the thighs and having 2 holes for the legs. A pair of black cotton knickers. Knife. 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 Stab someone with a knife. He was knifed to death during the argument. Knight. 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 Invest someone with the title of knight. He was knighted for his services to industry. Knit. 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 Unite or cause to unite. Disparate regions had begun to knit together under the king. Knob. 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 A rounded lump or ball, especially at the end or on the surface of something. She turned the knob, but the door didn't open. Knock. 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 Collide with someone or something, giving them a hard blow. He deliberately ran against her, knocking her shoulder. Knoll. 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 A small hill or mound. A grassy knoll. Knot. 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 Make something, especially hair, tangled. The shampoo knotted my hair terribly. No. 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 Be aware of through observation, inquiry, or information. Most people know that CFCs can damage the ozone layer. Knowledge. 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 Facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education, the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. A thirst for knowledge. Knuckle. 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 A part of a finger at a joint where the bone is near the surface, especially where the finger joins the hand. Damien had turned his face away and was clenching a thick knuckle between his teeth. Subscribe No English channel. Check my playlist for more videos. And please share this video.